everyone, I'm Daniela from Precursive, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily track your time to value using our milestone feature. So according to whether you lead an onboarding or a CS or an implementation team, you will probably have a different definition of time to value. And that is why within our Precursive Milestones tab, you will be able to create those milestones that are relevant to you and your organization and track your time to value. All you need to do is following these 3 steps. First of all, you want to create your milestones. So from within the tab, you can click on New, insert a name, for example, Kickoff, make sure it's active, and you can make it visible in the community. And save. So for today's presentation, I have already created these 2 milestones that are called Kickoff and Onboarding, because I want to show you how you can track the time between your kickoff call and the completion of the onboarding of new customers. To do that, our second step is going to be creating a measure for our milestones. So from within the onboarding milestone, you can click to Related, and as you can see here, it gives me the possibility to create a new measure. So I click on New, insert a name, for example, time to completed onboarding. I can also select the target days, let's say 30 days. This is the expected time that I think is going to take my team to complete the onboarding of new customers. And it will be useful to insert target days so that later on you can compare your expectations to the actual time that it takes your team to complete the onboarding to make sure if your forecasting is correct. As per the start date, you can either select a date field from within Salesforce, for example, the opportunity close date, by inserting the API file name. So, like so. Otherwise, you can also select another milestone, and in this case, the system will use the completed date of the task to which you're going to assign this specific milestone as the start date for your measure. This is what we're going to do today. So now I'm going to save, and we're going to take our third and last step. The last thing we need to do is to assign these milestones to specific tasks. So the way we can do that is by going into the Precursive OBX tab. Here I have already opened my outcome-driven implementation project. As you can see, I have my kickoff call and what I've called onboarding complete task. That is going to mark the completion of my project. So I want to assign the first milestone to my kickoff call task, and the way I can do that is by clicking on the task to edit it. And if you scroll down within advanced options at the very bottom of the page, you will see there is the milestone field that you can add, kick off, and save. And then I'm gonna do the same for the onboarding complete task. At the bottom of the page within advanced options, and here I will select onboarding, the onboarding milestone, and save. As you can see, this little icon shows up to confirm on both tasks to confirm that we have assigned our milestones. So these will allow me to track the time between the completion of my kickoff call and the completion of my onboarding complete tasks. You can either assign your milestones manually, or you can decide to turn a specific project into a template, convert to template, and you may need to make sure you create a board type so that you will be able to track the time to onboarding across all the new projects that you create with your new board type. I hope this was helpful, and please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Our email is customersuccess@precursive.co.uk. I look forward to seeing you in our next feature focus video. Goodbye!